how to enable or disable allow photo providers to use your photos in Apple Maps on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, scroll down and tap on Maps. Next, we scroll down and tap on Allow Photo Providers to use your photos. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. When you turn this on, then you allow companies that provide photos to Maps to use the photos that you add to Maps in their own products and services. Photos include their locations, but not your identity. If you turn this off, photos providers might no longer use your photos, but this takes a few days to apply. So if you want to turn off or remove your photos, you can switch this off. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.